Hello everyone, Lisa Mendoza here, and I'm just moving. I'm archiving a part of my planner for this year, and then I'm going to start a new one, which is under here in August. So I just wanted to show you, I already decorated and pre-planned for August. Today is July 24th, so I'm right on schedule. So I wanted to show you how I decorated that with Planners Anonymous subscription kits. They are just so cute, so I thought I would show you. But anyway, so this particular planner I'm going to put on my shelf and archive it. It's March through the rest of this month. And then, oh, I just laminated this cover for August through probably November, because December I'm probably going to move into a Christmas planner. But anyway, look at how cute this is. So let me tell you guys, if you go to Sanrio.com, they have phone wallpaper, digital papers, right, for your phone. So I downloaded that, I printed it out, and look at how cute it is as a planner cover. I mean, it is just perfection. I love this whole spaceship design of Hello Kitty. I have the Loungefly backpack in this particular design. I just love it. So to see that this was available as a iPhone or a phone wallpaper, oh my gosh, I grabbed it right away, printed it right away, and laminated, put it on here in my new planner. It's going to be my new planner for August. Anyway, so believe it or not, all of the contents of this one and the one that I just showed you were all together. And my planner was so super chunky, but it stays open on my desk, so it wasn't really bothering me. I didn't really even notice that it was so chunky because it was laying open. But anyway, so I needed to divide it up. So this is the, I bought this particular digital paper on Etsy and printed it out and made this cover, which I absolutely love. And then, so here's March. I'll just kind of go through. We started with Go Wild. And then I didn't do much planning here. I'm just going to kind of flip through this quickly. There's me in a planner. I made it into a Planners Anonymous planner subscription kit, and that's me. That's so awesome. Anyway, so this is March, and then I have a little bit of journaling about some time with my sisters and my mom. And then let's see, then we have some Shine Sticker Co. Stickers, which I love because I'm a sucker for pastels. Then we go into April, some more Shine Sticker Company. All right, my lists. And then this is Country Cottage from Planners Anonymous. It's just so gorgeous. So sometimes I journal a lot, sometimes I don't, but I love having the room in case I need to. And then this was just some Happy Planner stickers. No, I think this was Posh, what is it? Pretty, no, I can't remember. Anyway, it was a floral sticker book. And then this is from Paper House. Yeah, there's a sticker book from there. Okay, and then May. And then these are Shine Sticker Company also. I love these little bows, foiled bows. And then this was the week of Mother's Day. So I have me and my mommy right here. And then some more Planners Anonymous kits. Hey, where's all my journaling? Slacking. But that's okay. Sometimes I do it, sometimes I don't. Here's Book Lovers from Planners Anonymous. And then June, I used Miss Maker from the Happy Planner. Okay, and then this is another Happy Planner spread. My mom's birthday. This was a great day. Went to the Autry Museum. More Sunshine Sticker Company. And then a cousin of mine's graduation. So I always put memory things into my planner as well. And then you'll probably notice I have all my Dodger games in my planner. So I know when to tune in, and it just kind of blends right in. You probably didn't notice because I usually have it coordinating with the color scheme for the week. And then July, and this is Sail and Sea from Planners Anonymous. So good. I ended up getting COVID this week. Was it this week? Let me think. No. Okay, it wasn't this week. Okay, it was right here. Okay, and I have to put it in my planner because I don't think I did. So this was the day that my husband started having symptoms, poor guy. And then this is the day that I started having my symptoms. Excuse me. And as you can see, I still have remnants of it. And then this is this week. And this Wednesday that just passed, I finally started feeling better from COVID. This is when I did a live stamping class in the Planners Anonymous Facebook group. And this was a little image that I stamped on sticker paper. It's so cute. And then here we are today. And the Dodger score is 4-2 Dodgers. We're winning. We're hopefully going to sweep the Giants today. So that's exciting. And then this is next week with Note to Self from Planners Anonymous. I have a lot of birthdays coming up. Okay, and so that's that. That's through the end of July. And I do have to go ahead and print some more pictures and add some more memories that I have off to the side on my desk that I just need to punch and incorporate into the right dates. So that's that. And then this pretty little baby is ready for August 1st. I'm so excited because I just think it's so pretty. I mean, it stays open on my desk, so it's not like I'm going to be able to stare at this cover, which is unfortunate, but I know it's under here, so that's okay. This sticker is by Shine Sticker Company. It's actually not stuck anywhere. I could put it here. Maybe, maybe not. And then a little dashboard I had made. And some pockets with some stickers in it in case I need them, and some washi, and some My Melody stickers. And oh, how cute. All right, and then August. So as I mentioned, I decorated all of August and pre-planned. This particular spread I did live on the Planners Anonymous group, Facebook group, and look at this cute little stamp. She's so cute. And then I don't know what I'm going to do with this extra space here, but I ended up doing the same thing for the entire month. So maybe I'll put some trackers in there and maybe some private journaling that I don't necessarily want out there. And again, my Dodgers games there. All ready to go, all nice and pre-planned. This particular kit is called Mermaid Shores from Planners Anonymous. It is absolutely stunning. And then I have my lists in the back. And then I used Sweet Art from Planners Anonymous for this particular spread. It is just so cute and so delicious and so sweet. I just love it. And then for this gumball machine, I actually used their digital creative kit, and I printed some stickers on sticker paper and cut them on my silhouette. Here's some that I didn't end up using, but I love extending my kit with digital art and making my own stickers, because then it feels like I don't have to hoard everything. So anyway, so this is Sweet Art, and it's just so beautiful and delicious, as you can see. And then I used this one. I used a combination of a very old kit of Planners Anonymous called Wonderlust. That's where the washi and this paper is from. And then the stickers here are from the Michaels sticker book that was created from Planners Anonymous art to match the Wanderlust kit. And so that worked really nice. And then I got some new day covers from paperylove.com. Oh my gosh. So these are washi perforated date covers. They are so gorgeous. These ones are scalloped and I love the gradient, and I love that it looks really nice with Planners Anonymous kits. So I did that there. Oh, this is just so cute. No, I'm not traveling, but I still love using traveling kits in my planner. And then this is an older kit from Planners Anonymous as well. It's called Planner Babe, and I love it. I love all the pink. So that's all nice and decorated. And then that's it. That's all of August that is decorated and ready to be journaled and planned in. I always decorate and prepare for the coming month in the last week of the previous month. It just works out easier for me. I used to plan just on Sundays for the week ahead, but this is much easier to have it done. And then I'll show you what my planner inserts look like when they're blank. So this is blank before any planning. I have a nice big decorative box. I do different things with it. I have my week at a glance at the top, and then I have daily Dutch doors. And they look like this before they get all written in and stickered up and washed up. And then at the end of my week, I have 4 different lists, and I created some stickers to label these lists, and I'll show you. They look like this. See, so I have my husband's to-dos, and then anything I need to be reminded about for my adult children, and then things I craft since I'm a full-time crafter, and then my to-do items like Kohl's returns and things like that, and then my grocery shopping list or any things that I need to buy for the house. So that's how I have my list. So as you can see, this tiny little B6 wide planner carries so much more than a classic vertical would carry because of the Dutch doors. I just absolutely love this layout. So if you're interested, I do have this on my website at lisalovestudio.com. You can go to planner accessories on my store there, and you'll see this layout. I also have it available for classic, but I personally love it in this B6 size because then I can pop this into a Planners Anonymous melody cover if I'm going somewhere and have my goodies protected. So this just fits so perfectly in there. Anyway, and then I have some pockets in the back here, and that's it. Yeah, so excited to jump into this for August. So excited to archive a couple of months and put them on my keepsake shelf in case I want to reminisce. So that is all. Just wanted to kind of walk you through that and show you where I was with my planning and my decorating. I also caught up on my lettering practice yesterday, and so I'm going to start with August really soon. I got to do my budget planner today for August, and then I will be all caught up with planning, and I can just enjoy the month. All right, we'll talk to you guys real soon. Take care. Bye-bye.